Hi, it's Delina Watson. I am so pleased to come to you and bring you this 4-week healing group for women in midlife. And I can tell you, I know what it's like to have the ground ripped out from under you at midlife and feel like your whole world has just completely turned upside down. So we come through these places, sometimes by our own place where it's an itching and a feeling that something's not quite right and it's time to grow. And sometimes we come to it not of our choice, where other people make choices in our lives or things happen by circumstance. And we're suddenly in a place where this foundation of our lives that we have built for a couple decades is suddenly cracked and it's shaking. And what do? So I love this new course for you. It's called Midlife Metamorphosis. We're going from that midlife crisis of how do I remake myself and how do I risk leaving what has been so familiar to a place where we're transformed, where we're connected to our intuition and our own power. We're going to be doing that through some really powerful creative arts activities, the ancient art of storytelling. I just love this because our unconscious, it gets it. When we have a story, we understand and we remember, and we can draw on the strength and power from that. We can also draw on the strength of the alchemist, and the alchemist archetypes are those energies of all of those ancient people that were trying to find a way to take ordinary things and bring them into gold. So we're going to be tapping into those kinds of things, as well as some music and imagery that's going to be your personal imagery. So the symbols that you're going to have are your symbols, the ones that make sense to you. And then we're going to be doing some mandala drawing, where we can put what is in ourselves onto paper. And you may find something like this. See, no art experience necessary. But then soon, as we do our work, that same picture can transform into this. So it is such a beautiful, beautiful way to express ourselves and to move ourselves into a beautiful place of newness and freshness and come into our own power so that we can recreate this next chapter of our lives. I really invite you to join me for this 4-week series that's only 1 hour. And I'm gonna have a recording, so if you can't make it in the morning, 8 to 9 Arizona or Mountain Standard Time, that's fine. There's gonna be a recording. We're gonna have our own private page where you can access the recordings. And you can also get some supplemental material. I'll be putting out little tidbits. It's not homework, don't worry about it, but it's there if you're interested. So I really hope you're gonna join me. May 8th is our very first one, and we're just gonna go 4 weeks and have a really great time with just beautiful women. I know you beautiful souls are going to show up for this workshop. So I really look forward to seeing you.